ready to turn your Real Geeks CRM into a lead-nurturing machine. First, log into your Real Geeks CRM account once you're in. Navigate to the Marketing section. Typically found on the left-hand side menu, look for the Drip Campaigns option and click on it. Now, to create a new drip campaign, find and click the Create Campaign button. You'll be prompted to give your campaign a descriptive name. This helps you easily identify it later. In the New Campaign window, enter a name and a brief description for your drip campaign. Next, you'll need to define the trigger. This is the event that starts the drip campaign, such as a new lead registration or a specific property view. Choose the trigger that best suits your campaign's objective. Now comes the fun part, building your email sequence. Click the Add Email button to create your first email. You'll be able to craft your subject line and body, adding personalization tags like the lead's first name or the property they viewed. Write compelling email content that provides value to your leads. Focus on answering their questions, sharing relevant resources, and building trust. Schedule each email with a specific delay, like 1 day, 3 days, or 1 week after the previous email. To target your audience effectively, use segmentation. Real Geeks allows you to segment based on various criteria like lead source, location, or activity on your website. Select the segments that align with your campaign's goals. Finally, review your entire campaign, double-checking your email content, schedule, and segmentation. Once you're satisfied, activate your campaign by toggling the active switch, and that's it. You've successfully set up a drip campaign in Real Geeks.